Hey, what's going on? It's Chef Tripp Rion coming to you with my buddy Aaron Norris, the creator of the Tribal Fire Grill.
Yeah, we're cooking up some great food on it with the flat top sear and then the grill grate and the real wood fire. It does a phenomenal job on a lot of different foods.
Stir fry, awesome. Hamburger patties, smash burgers, incredible. We got these swinging grates where we can elevate them up and down, and that allows you to control your heat. Also, if you get really hot, you're able to swing off of your fire. Now you also notice that there's this grill grate in the middle. Now you can do your sear, finish off here if you want to, have grill marks.
Yep, we take our standard side rack system and put the grill grates on it to do our steaks. And the neat thing is, Tripp, we can adjust this grill grate to the exact height we want so we can get exact temperature we want for the perfect steak cook on this grate. And I think one of the most fun things with this grill is you're working on that side, I'm working on this side, we're working together.
What do we say is like a 360
dance?
Yeah,
grilling in 360.